Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. You got some leftover biscuits from breakfast like I do? Don't know what to do with them? You know what these are perfect for? Biscuits and gravy. Nieces and nephews, let's do breakfast.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
I'm starting off with a little bit of oil in my skillet. I'm putting in my sausage I got from the food pantry. Now I'm just doing enough for me, but you can do the whole thing if you're feeding the whole family. We're going to brown this, and we're not going to add no seasonings yet. Chop up your sausage and brown it real good. I love the sound of sizzle. This is cooking music to me. Oh yeah. Got it nice and brown. Now, that this is done, I'm going to add just enough flour into this mixture to make my gravy. You do not drain it because you're using this oil to make your gravy. Okay? Add a little bit more. Use your judgment now. You know how much you should add. Okay? It's going to clump up around the sausage, but that's all right. Let it do its thing. Okay? I'm going to turn my fire up just a little bit. Some medium. Now I'm going to add enough milk to make my gravy slowly. Start thickening up. Add some more milk. Keep your fire up. And keep it stirring around. It's going to thicken. I'm going to add some more. All right. Now I'm going to let this thicken on up. But before we do that, we add some salt-free chicken stock. About a teaspoon. Okay. We do the same with our black pepper. Oh yeah. Okay, maybe a little. Your Uncle Chris likes things spicy. You know that. You know that. I gotta chill on that spice stuff. I really must. All right. Let this cook until it starts to thicken up. Then you're gonna take your biscuits, put them in here. Trust me on the process. That's gonna reheat them, get them nice and soft and absorbing some of that flavor. All right. Now you see how that's thickened up? All right, now I'm gonna add my biscuits. And how I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna open them up like that. 1, 2. That should be enough for me. Okay, I'm not going. So it's actually just one biscuit I'm using, but you can go a long way with this for your family. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this around like this. I'm gonna set this to the side, and I'm gonna do my eggs. All right. Take your eggs mixture to make your omelet. Pour it right in. I got some butter and olive oil in here. Okay. Turn it all the way to low once that happens. Take your pan, go back and forth, just like this. Take it off the heat, go back and forth, go around. See how it done separated from the pan? Okay. Now at this point, I'm gonna put it down. I'm putting in my Uncle Chris spice. I've showed you how to make this. People ask me to start selling it. I will, but I've showed you how to make it too. Now, I'm putting some cheese in mine. Whatever what you want in yours. Put like that. I'm using 2 because I like mine extra cheesy, just like my jokes. Turn the heat up just a little bit. All right, now what you want to do, I wonder if you can see this right. You want to go under, okay? I'm going to try to get this best view I can. I'm going under the egg. And I'm flipping it over. Did you see that? And I'm pushing it back to the center. Now you got your omelet. Perfect omelet every time. Just like that. Now I'm going to swirl it around because I got the heat on low because I want this to be a nice tender omelet and not tough. Turn off the heat. See that? The omelet is done. Grab you a plate. Slide it out like that. Okay? Now, let's get us some biscuits and gravy. And of course, they still hot. As you see, they're steaming. Cast iron skillet holds the heat, baby. Let me tell you. Now, give it a good stir. Let's go across the top, just like that. How you like me now? Look at this, nieces and nephews. A nice country breakfast, all ready to eat. You can share this with your family and use leftover biscuits. Don't throw those leftover biscuits away. I'm telling you, use them. Everybody always gets extra biscuits and don't know what to do with them. Put them in an airtight container and put them in an icebox. Man, I'll tell you what. I know this is a simple recipe, but if you follow it, this will be the best sausage gravy you ever make. Here, let me show you. All right. Come on now. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell everybody about me. I'm trying to reach at least 5,000 subscribers, or 10,000. Now, I'm going to have a special fund me page, or better yet, buy me a cup of coffee, or give me a special thanks. We have to do something special about the house. Otherwise, bad things are going to happen. All right. Give me a call on my email, Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. All right. If you need food, write to me. Okay. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got